go. Thank you so much for joining in this afternoon. So our purpose to go ahead and trade today is that we are going to go ahead, create a disciplined system by which we can withdraw a monthly salary. So that is the purpose of this particular trading. We are not trading to get exuberant amount of money. We are just going to net go ahead and trade until the end of this month and collect something from the stock market, which can actually be like an alternate salary. So that's the purpose of this particular day. And we are going to go ahead and do a few trades based on the price action and the order flow that is available for us. So in the meanwhile, let me just go ahead. So as soon as this particular line is being broken, we will go ahead and initiate the trade. And that would be the way that we will go ahead and be trading today. So as soon as that particular line is being broken, we are going to go ahead and initiate our position. Okay. The two options that need to be bought is 34,000 put and 36,300 call. See, the reason why we want to buy an exposure in future is because there is a lot of theta decay that has been happening over here, and and we need an ability to go ahead and make those decisions of making money and not losing it because of theta, because theta completely changes the way how things are. Now, of course, instead of buying a future, I can buy a couple of lots of anything else and then make the decision. But I want this to be a safe and concise environment of making money. 35,618, I'm going to initiate the position. I think it bought it at 35,705 itself. So that's fine. It's okay. 35,705 means this was the buy price. So above 700 is where we bought it, just $5 above. So at this moment, we are already at 500 bucks in profit. But what is my target for the day, guys? My target for the day is 150 points win or 150 points loss. So over here, if I go ahead and I'll calculate, what would be my target for the day is that I will calculate it via the future itself. So my buy price was over here at 705, let's assume. And my target would be 150 points. So that would be somewhere around 35,856 is where I want to exit this position. So this is going to be my target line. Checking how much margin I utilized, I only utilized 58,000 for this. Okay, so I only utilized 58,000 for this to get that benefit to do. So far, we have 500 bucks in profit. We have hardly been in any losses since morning. So we'll see to that as to what would be our way forward. There's going to be a slight resistance at this area is what I'm feeling. So at this moment, we are at 1,400 in profit. So we are almost like 70 points up in the future that we have bought. 1,500, I believe. So that's also a very good deal. Our target is 35,858. So that's what our target is. So we'll try to go ahead and see, how far we are. We are just 70 points away from our target. That's what we are. So we'll see how fast and how far we go there and we travel. So pretty much it. I think, we are going to cross, 2,000 very soon. So I think we have crossed that as well. So we crossed 100 points in future. That's pretty easy. 35824 was the high. Yeah, that was the high. Okay, trailing stop loss to somewhere around 85. Oh my God, it is just coming down, man. And 90. See, that's how fast future is. I think it should get executed. So has it? Yep, it's fully executed, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, for you, I present our salary profits. So the salary profits for the day are over here. Let me just exit all the other ones as well. So This guy can be exited at 15 rupees, I think. Yes, it can be. And this guy can be executed at 970. Yes, I think I can. Let us see, they're both pending. Once these guys are executed, we are out of the show. So there is nothing much left. I think P is executed. Only the C is left. I think even C needs to be edited or something like that. Even this guy will get executed. See, the reason being here is, guys, look at this candle. I don't like this candle. I'm absolutely unhappy with it. And, that's something that I don't want to do. Even after this, if it goes somewhere around 1,000 points and all, I don't care. So everything I think got executed over here. So total MTM for the day is somewhere around, let me look at the colorful screen. Yeah, total MTM for the day is 2,000 bucks. So today, I want to make a note of that as well. So out of 75,000, right? I deployed like 53,000. So I made 10%, not 10%. Have I? No, I've made 5% of my capital. Yes. Let's celebrate that for now. I thank you so much for your time for attending this session. I hope you have learned a lot. So making 5% a day was so easy. Okay. And we will compound it over a period of time. And then we are going to withdraw our salary at the end of the month. That is the purpose of this session. Okay. So I thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a beautiful day ahead and take care of yourself. We'll see you again on our next session tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye for now.